Yahoo! Hello mga masters and mga kaji! Good morning po sa inyong lahat dyan sa Pilipinas at sa buong Asian countries. At kung saan man kayong lupalop ng ating daigdig, ay hayaan niyo muna kami ni G, the Green Girl, Ikili Patuti Iguana. Nabatiin po kayo ng good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening at good night po sa mga ready ng matulog. Ngayon po ay very windy, dusty na naman po at meron naman kaming dust storm na inaabangan mamaya sa gabi. But before that, ngayon po ay tatapon muna natin si G sa lupa. Ayan po. At welcome na naman po sa panibagong topic natin ngayon dito po sa Masters Trivia. Ayun, grabe talaga. Pasensya na po sa hangin ha. Hindi ko lang alam kung maganda po yung reception ng aking microphone ngayon. But siyempre, patuloy lang po tayo sa aking magsasalita. I hope na okay lang po yung hangin ha. Ayun, natatago lang po yung aking camera, aking microphone. Dito lang po yung microphone ko sa buhok. Ayun, so I hope na okay lang po. Si G natin ngayon ay hayaan muna nating umikot-ikot. Alright, mga masters and mga ka-G, before we start, may I ask for your thumbs up. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe dito po sa aking channel, Master Worm, for more updated contents. Ayun po, grabe yung hangin dito at saka yung bundok. Yun, usually ang bundok ay super clear. Ngayon po ay very windy. Mamaya po in a matter of like probably 2 hours from now, grabe naman talaga yung hangin mamaya. Alright, let's proceed to our topic mga masters. What are the 27 natural health? What are the 27 natural health and nutrition tips that are evidence-based? Mga evidence-based po mga masters ha. So discuss po tayo ngayon ng 27 na mga natural health and natural tips. So isa-isahin lang po natin yan, hindi natin matatapos yan. We can't finish that in one episode. So I think we will just finish right now 4. Alright, but a few of them I will be discussing. The 27 are as follows mga masters. Sodas, nuts and seeds, avoid UPFs. Ayan, i-discuss natin mamaya yan. Coffee, fish, sleep, gut bacteria, hydration, charred meats or sunog na mga meats, bright lights, vitamin D, fruits and vegetables, protein, movement, substance use, olive oil, sugar, refined carbs, weights, trans fats, herbs and spices, social life, tracking, belly fat, diets, eggs, meditation, and the bottom line. Bottom line is like the conclusion. Right, grabe talaga ang hangin, no? Grabe talaga ang hangin. Alright, let's proceed po. If you want to boost your health and well-being, there are plenty of natural and home remedies to choose from, ranging from avoiding charred meats. Ano ba alam niyo yung charred na meats? Yung mga sunog, yung parang uling na, charred. Okay, sunog na po talaga, or may mga sunog na parts. And added sugars to practicing meditation. Yan po, so may mga options po tayo. When it comes to knowing what's healthy, even qualified experts often seem to hold opposing options. Yung mga expert na mismo po mga masters, marami din po silang mga options at yung iba po ay hindi naman nagko-contradict from each other. So it doesn't mean na kung health expert na, pare-pareho lang po yung kanilang mga conclusions. Iba-iba din po yung kanilang mga point of views. Alright, so right now, let's just take for consideration yung topic natin. Pag meron kayong mga questions or meron kayong mga pwede nating i-comment nyo lang dyan. Please don't forget to, please feel free to comment there later dito po sa ating comment section. Alright. When it comes to knowing what's healthy, okay, di ba? Sila po ay maraming options. This can make it difficult to figure out what you should do or what should actually be doing to optimize your health. So maraming mga opposing na mga concepts. Yes, despite all the disagreements, a number of wellness tips are well supported by research. May mga research syempre. Here are 27 of the natural tips that are based on scientific evidences. Ayan po mga masters and mga ka-G. May notes tayo ha. Sabihin nyo na ako hindi nag-study. May notes po akong sinusundan ngayon dito para to make it sure that I deliver the right or the I have to be in correct order sa ating topic. Right. So si G ay lumalakad-lakad, pero ano na si G kanina pa, naka sunlight exposure na po ito siya kanina pa. So hindi na po siya, kanina pa siya nainitan. Kasi sa bahay pa lang mismo nainitan na po siya. Gusto talaga ni G pumunta doon sa sa malapit sa kalsada. Alright, number 1, limit sugary drinks. Limit sugary drinks, mga masters. Okay? Sugary drinks like sodas, fruit juices, and sweetened teas are the primary source of added sugar in American diet. Sa American diet lang po, pero syempre all over the world po, ang westernized products or American products are all over the world na. Okay? So unfortunately, findings from several studies point to sugar-sweetened beverages increasing risk of heart diseases such as type 2 diabetes and type 2 diabetes. Okay? So yung mga sugary products po, yan po nagko-cause usually ng mga heart diseases and diabetes, especially type 2 diabetes, mga masters. Even in people who are not carrying excess body fat. Yung mga iba dyan na hindi naman talaga tataba, ay pwede din po silang magkakaroon yan. Hindi obvious, it will slowly develop. Si G natin ay tumatakbo. Okay? So, of course, even sugar-sweetened beverages also are uniquely harmful for children. Very harmful for children as they contribute not only to obesity in children but also to conditions that usually do not develop until adulthood. Yung iba po ay nade-develop na pag sila po ay matanda na. Mas mabilis silang ma-develop pag sila po ay adult na. Hindi pa lumalabas ng bata pa sila, but they will be showing pag sila po ay adult na po. Okay? So slowly lang yung kanilang paglabas ng sakit. Okay? So like type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure, and non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. So meron tayong condition na tinatawag na non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, kung saan po ay kahit hindi sila umiinom ng alcohol, ay pwede sila magkaroon ng fatty liver. Okay? So healthier alternatives include, of course, instead na sugary drinks po ang ating iinumin, ay we can have water, unsweetened teas, sparkling water, and coffee. Yan po, tandaan po natin yan. Okay? Si G natin ay aakyat din sa puno. Aakyat din sa puno for sure. Number 2 is eat nuts and seeds, mga masters. Eat nuts and seeds. Okay? Sandali po ay kukunin ko muna si G. Alright, some people avoid nuts because they are high in fat. However, nuts and seeds are incredibly nutritious. They are packed with protein, fiber, and a variety of vitamins and minerals. Nuts and seeds, masters, mga ka-G. Nuts may help you lose weight and reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes and heart diseases. Additionally, one large observational study noted that a low intake of nuts and seeds was potentially linked to an increased risk of death from heart disease, stroke, or type 2 diabetes. Sa mga taong hindi kumakain ng mga nuts, mga masters and mga ka-G, sila po ay nakitaan na meron silang increased risk of those kinds of diseases. Number 3 is avoid ultra-processed foods. Naku si G. Hindi mapagkakatiwalaan ang bilis. Naku, mabilis ang takbo ng G natin, mga masters. Naku, hindi pala pwedeng iwan si G. Naku, lumakbo. Ang bilis ang takbo ni G, oh. Naku, so dito na muna si G sa akin, ha? Alright, mga masters. Next is, of course, ultra-processed foods ay yung tinatawag na UFPs. UPFs pala, UPFs. Are foods containing ingredients that are significantly modified from their original form. They often contain additives like added sugar, highly refined oil, salt, preservatives, artificial sweeteners, colors, and flavors as well. Okay? Talaga, oh. Tumakbo talaga si Jing. Bilis. Nako. Next, of course, kasama po sa ultra-processed foods ay ano mga kasama, G? What are included there? Of course, are snack cakes, fast food, frozen meals, packaged cookies, chips, and then UPFs or ultra-processed foods are highly palatable or pwedeng makain, mabilis pwedeng makain yan. Okay, meaning they are easily overeaten. Mabilis po siyang ma-overeaten without any control. Kumbaga, very tempting po siya. And active reward-related regions in the brain. So, yun sa mga ano is, yung parang reward po nila, o dahil po ako ay pumasa, ay kakain po ako ng cake. Parang ganun, di ba? Mga reward po siya. Which can lead to excess calorie consumption and weight gain. Studies shows that diets high in ultra-processed food can contribute to obesity, type 2 diabetes, heart diseases, and other chronic conditions. In addition to low-quality ingredients like refined oils, added sugar, and oil, fats, there are also low in fiber, proteins, and micronutrients. Thus, they provide more empty calories. Alright, number 4 po ay di-discuss natin bukas mga masters. Tatlo lang po ang na-discuss natin ngayon. And it's really hard to do this right now with G. I don't know, reset po ako ng aking microphone kasi nag-alarm na naman po ang weather station, weather bureau. So ako po ay, hindi ko alam kung nagre-record po siya. Again, for now, hanggang dito lang muna tayo mga masters and mga ka-G. This is your one and only Master Ware, and of course, G, the green girly cutie patootie iguana. And God is great. Yahoo!